Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix apps to not downloading apps. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to close this page, and first of all you have to open the settings. First of all, make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. Okay guys, first of all you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn this off. And if you're using Wi-Fi, turn into mobile data or vice versa, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, scroll it on, tap on screen time, then scroll it on, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now from here guys, you have to go to iPhone and App Store purchases. From here guys, just simply you have to go to required password and make sure that you have check on don't require, then go to installing apps. And if it's checked in don't allow, then you won't be able to download any of the app. Just simply allow this ones. It on then an app store and app purchases. From here guys, you have to tap on in app purchases. If it's don't allow, you have to allow this one and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, open the settings app again, scroll it down, tap on general. Now from here guys, go to iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough storage in your device. Okay guys, then scroll it down. From here guys, tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is also correct. Now also make sure that you are not connected with VPN, and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, scroll it down, tap on transfer or reset, tap on you have to reset your network setting and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply scroll it down, tap on general. Now go to software update and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and then check if it's working. So if it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings, tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down, you have to sign out your Apple ID and just simply turn off your device and then turn on your device again and sign in your Apple ID again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.